So the One UI 7 update is finally here, but before you go ahead and install it, there's something important you should know. Those green lines that randomly show up on your screen, yeah, they're real, and they usually appear right after a software update. As you can see in this tweet, some users are reporting a green line issue on their displays after the One UI 7 beta update on the Galaxy S22 and S23 series. Hope Samsung addresses this soon with a fix. You might be thinking, why does that even happen? Well, it turns out that during the update process, your phone can get pretty hot. And when that happens, the tiny flex cables inside, which connect your display to the motherboard, can get damaged. Once those cables take a hit, you start seeing lines on your screen. It's even worse if you're charging your phone during the update. High temperatures during this process can really push the device to its limits, and that's when the damage usually occurs. But don't worry, there are a few simple things you can do to avoid this whole situation. First, make sure your phone has enough battery before starting the update, so you'll need to keep it on the charger. Also, avoid updating while the phone is plugged in, and if you've just taken it off the charger, give it a few minutes to cool down. Whether it's due to heat or even physical pressure on the phone, if those internal cables are affected, the display starts showing those annoying lines. So, have you updated to One UI 7 on your Galaxy S24 yet? Let me know in the comments. Thanks to a leak shared by tipster Taron Vats on X, we now have access to what appears to be Samsung's official schedule for the One UI 7.0 rollout in Germany. And if this is accurate, the updates will continue all the way through July 2025. The roadmap also confirms that Samsung will prioritize its newer and more premium devices first, followed by mid-range and budget models. Here's the device-wise breakdown of the update timeline. April 2025. Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6. Galaxy S24 series. May 2025. Galaxy Z Fold 5, 4, 3. Galaxy Z Flip 5, 4, 3. Galaxy S24 Fan Edition. Galaxy S23 series, S23 Fan Edition. Galaxy S22 series. Galaxy S21 series, S21 Fan Edition. Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, S10 Plus. Galaxy Tab S9 series. Galaxy Tab S8 series. June 2025. Galaxy F55, 54, 53, 35, 34, 33. Galaxy A25, 16, 15, 14. Galaxy M53 and 33. Galaxy Xcover 7, Xcover 6 Pro. Galaxy Tab S9 Fan Edition, S9 Fan Edition Plus. Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Galaxy Tab Active 5, Tab Active 4 Pro. Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. July 2025. Galaxy Tab A9. So is your device on the list? Even mid-range and older flagships are getting Android 15. If you're in Germany or nearby, keep an eye out for that update notification. Also, are you excited for the One UI 7 update? Let me know in the comments section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.